For all beginners learning English, here is lesson number 21. In it, you will get 80 plus simple sentences. And the topic here is entertaining a guest. We often have guests at home. We should know how to welcome them. This video will help you to do that. Let us learn to do so in English. In this way, we can practice speaking English fluently. Begin like this. Welcome, dear guest, or welcome, dear friend. Please come in and make yourself comfortable. It is so wonderful that you could come. We have been hoping to see you for ages. Your presence brightens our place. Hope you had an enjoyable journey. Any difficulty in locating the address? Are you feeling very tired after the long journey? Then I'll show you to your room. May I take your bag and suitcase? You can take off your shoes here. Would you like these flip-flops to wear inside the house? Here is your room. Let me keep your things near the cot. Please feel free to ask for anything you need. Should I bring you a cup of tea now? It will refresh you. The washroom is in here, through this door. You may like to have a wash first. There are fresh towels inside. I have placed some body wash and shampoo too. In case you want to use them, please do. I feel so very happy that you have come. Oh, I forgot to ask. Do you prefer tea or coffee? Do you take milk and sugar with your tea? Or do you like it black? I can offer you black coffee if you like. If you want to send a message to your people, please use our Wi-Fi. I will share the password with you. The weather is very pleasant these days. But if you need a blanket for the night, please let me know. I would be happy if you make yourself at home. After freshening up, do come to the living room. Would you like some biscuits with your tea? Or you may want some snacks if you are hungry. Lunch will be ready in an hour. Let's catch up in the meantime. Tell me about your new business. You said you wanted to meet someone in this city. Who is it? And where do you have to go? Would you like me to drive you there? Since you are new to this city, I thought I'd help. This time you have come alone and on work. Next time, bring everyone and come to relax here. It would be lovely to have all of you here. We can plan a visit to the hill station nearby. I think you and your family have not been there. So think about it and plan as soon as possible. Give me a moment to peep into the kitchen. I'll see how far the meal preparation has progressed. You could watch some TV while you wait. The TV remote is next to you on the small table. You could also read today's newspaper. The newspaper and some magazines are on the center table. There is a bookshelf to your right. You may find some book there which interests you. Or you may want to take a walk in the garden. Of course, it is quite warm now. We can go to the garden in the evening. I have invited a few friends over for dinner today. I'm sure you will enjoy meeting them. We shall have some party games in the evening. If you have any ideas, please share them. I remember how good you were in organizing parties. Lunch is served. Let's move to the dining room. Do you have any food allergies or anything you don't eat? Please help yourself to whichever dish you like. Oh, have you finished already? You ate so little. Please take another helping. Hope the food is not too spicy for you. Here is a sweet dish specially made for you. You used to love it when we were young. Don't know if you still like it. Would you like to take some rest now? I'll also take some rest. We have a long evening ahead. Wish you had come for a longer time. Next time, do come for a week or 10 days. With that, we come to the end of the sentences which help you to welcome a guest or a friend to your house and entertain them when they are with you. Make them comfortable. Hope you listened to each sentence and repeated it aloud. For beginners who are not able to speak fluent English, this is the best method. First, you listen carefully. Second time, you listen and repeat. Repeat along with me because you would have heard the video already once. The third time you should do only reading it aloud after switching off the audio of this presentation. If you do that, you will be able to check whether you're able to read fluently. Reading fluently is another important point for speaking fluently. And then stop the entire video and try to speak as though a guest has come to your house and you are talking to that guest. This will be excellent practice. I request each one of you to subscribe and hype the videos. Share the videos with everybody and also become a special member of the channel so that you can attend many live classes per month. Thank you and all the best.